I'm waiting to get the hate mail about this. I've said it in multiple interviews and it hasn't happened yet, but different people respond to different stimulus or stimuli. There are people who do best with a very gentle nudge. We are living in a time now, and just so I'm clear, I think this is a good thing, where we're trying to have kinder, gentler kitchens. There are people who need to feel urgency, behind an instruction. There are people who, if you look at them funny, they're crushed. Frankly, what are we at here? We're on 31st Street in New York City. Okay, so less than 10 blocks south of here is 11 Madison Park. That kitchen to this day, I don't think I'm revealing trade secrets, is pretty intense. Well, guess what? That's still a hard kitchen to get into. And there are still plenty of people. You cooked in Per se. Mm-hmm. There are still people who want to get pushed like that.
I get the DMs every week.
Which ones?
Not the bad ones.
People get off on that.
No. Yeah, I'm in a small town in Oklahoma working at a little tiny burger tavern. It would shoot me over the moon to get pushed in the way that I see 11 Madison Park executing
right now.